China's GJ-11 Sharp Sword, History, Present and Future. Introduction. The GJ-11 Sharp Sword Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle UCAV represents a significant advancement in China's military aviation capabilities. Developed by the Hongdu Aviation Industry Group, this stealth drone is designed for precision strikes and aerial reconnaissance, leveraging cutting-edge technology to fulfill modern combat requirements. Since its first flight in November 2013, the GJ-11 has undergone extensive testing and evaluation, positioning itself as a critical asset for the People's Liberation Army (PLA). Historical background. The development of the GJ-11 can be traced back to China's growing interest in incorporating unmanned systems into its military strategy. The UCAV's maiden flight in November 2013 marked a pivotal moment in China's defense modernization efforts. The design features a tailless flying wing configuration which enhances its stealth capabilities and reduces its radar cross-section, making it difficult to detect. By 2021, the GJ-11 was showcased at the Zhuhai Airshow, where it demonstrated its ability to autonomously take off from the Type 076 amphibious assault ships. This capability underscores the drone's potential role in naval operations, allowing it to engage in electronic warfare and deploy precision-guided munitions. In 2022, conceptual imagery revealed the GJ-11's integration with the Chengdu J-20 stealth fighter, akin to the U.S. Air Force's Loyal Wingman program. This collaboration hinted at a future where manned and unmanned systems work in tandem, enhancing overall combat effectiveness. Current status. As of 2024, the GJ-11's activity has significantly increased, particularly at the Malan Air Base in western China. Satellite imagery indicates a surge in drone operations, suggesting that the PLA is accelerating its testing and evaluation processes. The drone's design, characterized by its stealthy profile and advanced avionics, positions it as a formidable asset in the modern battlefield. The GJ-11's operational capabilities extend beyond mere reconnaissance and precision strikes. It is also being developed to function as a loyal wingman, supporting manned fighters like the J-20 by conducting coordinated operations. This strategic evolution is crucial as military analysts recognize the need for advanced unmanned systems to complement traditional air combat. Analyses of recent satellite images show multiple GJ-11s stationed at Malan, indicating a robust testing regime aimed at refining their operational tactics. This heightened activity suggests that the PLA is preparing for future conflicts where drone technology will play a pivotal role. Future prospects. Looking ahead, the GJ-11 is poised to significantly influence air warfare dynamics. Its potential integration with other platforms, particularly naval assets, could enhance the PLA's reach and operational flexibility. The prospect of deploying the GJ-11 from aircraft carriers and amphibious assault ships represents a strategic shift towards a more versatile military posture. Moreover, analysts predict that the GJ-11 will evolve into a key component of China's military doctrine, particularly as the PLA seeks to enhance its deterrent capabilities in the Indo-Pacific region. The drone's ability to operate in swarms combined with electronic warfare capabilities could redefine engagement strategies against adversaries. The ongoing development of the GJ-11 reflects China's determination to maintain technological parity with the United States and other military powers. While the U.S. has shifted its focus away from developing similar stealth UCAVs, China's commitment to advancing its drone technology suggests that it aims to dominate this domain in the coming years. Conclusion. The GJ-11 Sharp Sword is more than just an unmanned drone. It symbolizes China's strategic ambitions in modern warfare. From its initial flight to its current operational status, the GJ-11 has undergone a remarkable transformation, positioning itself as a critical asset in the PLA's arsenal. As military conflicts evolve and the role of unmanned systems expands, the GJ-11 is likely to play a crucial role in shaping the future of air combat. The implications of this development extend beyond China as global military dynamics shift in response to the capabilities presented by advanced UCAVs like the GJ-11. The Hongdu GJ-11 Sharpsword Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle UCAV is a significant development in China's military technology, reflecting both the historical context of its evolution and its potential future applications. The GJ-11 was designed by the Hongdu Aviation Industry Group and first flew in November 2013. It is characterized by its stealthy tailless flying wing design and internal weapons bays suitable for precision strikes and reconnaissance missions. Counterintuitive information. 1. Comparison with U.S. developments. One of the most striking counterintuitive aspects of the GJ-11's development is the contrast with U.S. military initiatives. While China is actively developing stealth UCAVs like the GJ-11, the U.S. military appears to have shifted focus away from similar designs. Despite having previously funded substantial research on stealth flying wing UCAVs, there are currently no equivalent programs in active development within the U.S. This reflects a notable divergence in strategy and highlights how China is capitalizing on a perceived vacuum in advanced drone capabilities. 2. Role as loyal wingman. The GJ-11's potential role as a loyal wingman for crewed aircraft, particularly the J-20 fighter jet, is another counterintuitive aspect. While most discussions around UCAVs often focus on their autonomous capabilities, the GJ-11 is envisioned as a complement to manned fighters, enhancing their operational effectiveness rather than replacing them. This collaboration illustrates a shift in military doctrine that embraces the synergy between manned and unmanned platforms, contrasting with common notions that UCAVs will entirely supplant traditional aircraft. 3. Rapid testing and deployment. The accelerated testing and operationalization of the GJ-11, particularly in a relatively short time frame, challenged the expectation that developing advanced military technology is a slow and cumbersome process. The GJ-11 has already been observed in increased activity at testing sites like the Malan Air Base, suggesting that China is effectively streamlining its military drone development process. This rapid pace of development contrasts sharply with the often prolonged timelines associated with U.S. military aircraft programs. For integration with naval operations, the potential for the GJ-11 to operate from naval platforms such as the planned Type 076 amphibious assault ships presents a counterintuitive dimension to its envisioned use. While many might assume that such advanced drones would be restricted to Air Force operations, the GJ-11's design indicates a multi-domain strategy that integrates air and naval capabilities. This suggests a more versatile approach to modern warfare, where unmanned systems play pivotal roles across different branches of the military. 5. Public perception and secrecy. The GJ-11's path to development contrasts with U.S. military practices where many advanced programs are shrouded in secrecy. In China, there is a notable degree of public exposure and demonstration of military capabilities as seen in airshows and state media. This openness can be perceived as a strategic advantage as it fosters a sense of national pride and military advancement among the populace while simultaneously projecting strength to potential adversaries. 6. Technological leapfrogging. The GJ-11 represents a form of technological leapfrogging where China may be bypassing traditional stages of military technology development that other nations, particularly the U.S., have undergone. The rapid advancements in UAV capabilities such as stealth technology and autonomous operations suggest that China is not just catching up but could potentially be leading in certain aspects of drone warfare technology. In conclusion, the GJ-11 Sharpsword is not just a technological achievement for China, it symbolizes a broader shift in military strategy and capability. By understanding these counterintuitive elements, one can appreciate how the GJ-11 may influence the future of aerial combat and the dynamics of international military competition. The GJ-11 Sharpsword, developed by Hongdu Aviation Industry Group, represents a significant advancement in China's unmanned combat aerial vehicle UCAV capabilities. While many reports highlight its stealth features, design specifications, and operational potential, There are nuanced aspects that are often overlooked but hold critical implications for military strategy and international security dynamics. 1. Stealth and design evolution. A notable aspect of the GJ-11 that tends to be underappreciated is the evolution of its design from its inception to its current form. The initial prototypes exhibited a less stealthy profile, which has significantly improved in later iterations with a tailless flying wing structure and internal weapon bays. This change is not merely aesthetic, it reflects a strategic shift towards maximizing stealth capabilities, enabling the GJ-11 to evade detection by advanced radar systems. The significance of this evolution lies in its potential to alter the balance of power in aerial combat. Stealth technology enhances survivability, allowing the GJ-11 to operate in contested environments where traditional aircraft may be at greater risk. This adaptation could enable China to project power more effectively, particularly in scenarios involving Taiwan or contested areas in the South China Sea. 2. Role as loyal wingman. The concept of the GJ-11 acting as a loyal wingman for crewed aircraft, particularly the J-20 stealth fighter, is a critical point that may receive insufficient attention. The implications of this role are profound. By pairing the GJ-11 with advanced manned aircraft, China can potentially enhance its operational flexibility and combat effectiveness. The GJ-11 could undertake high-risk missions such as reconnaissance or precision strikes, while the crewed aircraft provide command and control, thereby preserving human life in dangerous scenarios. This synergy represents a shift in warfare tactics, allowing for complex operations that can overwhelm adversaries through diversified threats and capabilities. The U.S. military's lack of similar developments in this area could provide China with a tactical advantage in future conflicts. 3. Increased testing and development activity. Recent satellite imagery indicating a surge in GJ-11 activity at the Malan Air Base is a crucial indicator of China's commitment to refining its UCAV capabilities. This increase in operational testing not only demonstrates the GJ-11's readiness for deployment but also suggests an accelerated pace of development that could outstrip U.S. capabilities in this domain. The implications of this acceleration are significant. It reflects China's broader strategy to enhance its military readiness and technological prowess, which could lead to an arms race in unmanned systems. Additionally, the potential for the GJ-11 to operate from naval vessels such as the Type 076 amphibious assault ship further underscores its versatility and operational range, expanding the possible theaters of engagement. 4. Technological implications and international security. The GJ-11's advancements also raise critical concerns regarding international security. As China enhances its UCAV capabilities, other nations may feel compelled to respond by accelerating their own drone programs or developing countermeasures. This could lead to increased tensions in the Asia-Pacific region, particularly as countries like the U.S. reassess their strategic posture in light of emerging technologies. The absence of similar developments in the U.S. military, particularly in stealthy UCAVs, may create a strategic vacuum that could embolden adversaries and shift the balance of power. 5. Potential for cooperative operations and swarming tactics. Another overlooked aspect of the GJ-11 is its potential for cooperative operations and swarming tactics. The ability to deploy multiple GJ-11s in a coordinated manner could enable China to conduct complex operations that disrupt enemy defenses and overwhelm targets. This capability aligns with modern warfare trends that emphasize networked operations and the use of unmanned systems to complement traditional forces. The significance of swarming tactics lies in their ability to present multiple simultaneous threats, complicating enemy response and potentially leading to decisive advantages in combat scenarios. 6. Impact on global military dynamics. The rise of the GJ-11 encapsulates broader trends in military modernization and strategic competition. China's advancements in UCAV technology signal a shift in global military dynamics, raising questions about the future of air combat and deterrence strategies. As nations invest in advanced unmanned systems, the nature of warfare could fundamentally change, emphasizing the need for adaptable strategies that incorporate both manned and unmanned capabilities. The GJ-11 serves as a case study of how technological innovation can reshape military doctrine and influence geopolitical stability. Conclusion. In summary, while the GJ-11 Sharp Sword is often discussed in terms of its technical specifications and immediate military applications, its broader implications for military strategy, international security, and technological evolution warrant closer examination. The stealth capabilities' potential as a loyal wingman, increased testing activity, and prospects for cooperative operations all contribute to a changing landscape of global military power. As nations grapple with these developments, the GJ-11 stands as a harbinger of the future of warfare, where unmanned systems play an increasingly central role in shaping conflict outcomes. In-depth analysis and discussion points on the Hongdu GJ-11 Sharp Sword UCAV. 1. Technological advancements and design features. The GJ-11 Sharp Sword represents a significant leap in China's unmanned combat aerial vehicle UCAV capabilities. With its tailless flying wing design, the GJ-11 incorporates advanced stealth features, including internal weapons bays and specialized shaping around the engine exhaust to minimize radar cross-section. This design allows it to perform precision strikes and aerial reconnaissance missions with a reduced likelihood of detection. The evolution from earlier prototypes to its current state showcases a robust R&D effort by the Hongdu Aviation Industry Group, emphasizing the importance of technological innovation in modern warfare. The potential integration of electronic warfare capabilities and swarming tactics further enhances its operational versatility, positioning the GJ-11 as a critical component of China's future air combat strategy. 2. Strategic role as a loyal wingman. The concept of the GJ-11 serving as a loyal wingman alongside crewed aircraft, particularly the J-20 stealth fighter, is a pivotal point in understanding its future military role. This operational paradigm allows the GJ-11 to augment the capabilities of manned fighters, enhancing overall mission effectiveness through cooperative engagement. Military analysts predict that this synergy could serve as a force multiplier, providing additional firepower and intelligence-gathering capabilities while maintaining a lower risk to pilots. The strategic implications of this role are profound, as it reflects a shift in air combat dynamics where unmanned systems play a central role in multi-domain operations, potentially altering the balance of power in regional conflicts. 3. Geopolitical implications and comparisons with U.S. developments. The advancement of the GJ-11 comes at a time when the United States appears to be retreating from developing similar stealthy UCAVs, highlighting a significant divergence in military strategies between the two nations. While the U.S. military has focused on collaborative combat aircraft (CCA) programs with an emphasis on lower-cost drones, China is aggressively enhancing its capabilities in stealthy, high-performance unmanned systems. This shift not only underscores the growing technological competition but also raises concerns about the future of air superiority in the Indo-Pacific region. The development of the GJ-11 could provide China with a strategic edge, challenging U.S. dominance and prompting a re-evaluation of defense postures in the region. 4. Future trajectory and operational integration. As the GJ-11 progresses through testing and evaluation phases, its anticipated integration into the People's Liberation Army (PLA) highlights the broader ambitions of China's military modernization efforts. The potential for shipborne operations from amphibious assault ships and aircraft carriers further signifies the GJ-11's role in enhancing China's naval aviation capabilities. The ongoing testing at the Malan Air Base, coupled with increasing sightings and operational readiness, suggests that the GJ-11 may soon become a cornerstone of PLA tactics in future conflicts. The implications of its deployment are significant, as it could reshape operational strategies, enhance deterrence capabilities, and influence regional security dynamics. Conclusion. The Hongdu GJ-11 Sharp Sword UCAV embodies a transformative element in modern military aviation, reflecting China's commitment to advancing its technological prowess and strategic capabilities. Its design, operational concepts, and potential geopolitical ramifications warrant thorough examination, as they may redefine air combat paradigms and international military balances. As China continues to refine and deploy the GJ-11, the implications for regional and global security will likely become more pronounced, necessitating close observation and analysis from military strategists and policymakers worldwide. 1. The Northrop Grumman X-47B. This experimental unmanned combat aerial vehicle UCAV was developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Navy. Its design focuses on carrier operations, featuring a flying wing shape that enhances stealth capabilities. The X-47B made its first flight in 2011 and became notable for its autonomous capabilities, including the ability to take off and land on aircraft carriers. The project aimed to explore the integration of drones into naval operations and provided essential insights that influenced the development of future naval UCAVs. 2. The Boeing MQ-25 Stingray. This unmanned aerial refueling drone is being developed for the U.S. Navy to enhance the operational capabilities of manned aircraft on aircraft carriers. The MQ-25 is designed to extend the range of carrier-based aircraft, providing logistical support without the need for additional crewed planes. First flown in 2019, the Stingray is part of a broader shift towards integrating unmanned systems into naval aviation strategies, similar to the GJ-11's role in enhancing the capabilities of the Chinese Air Force. 3. The Dassault Neuron. A European drone developed by a consortium led by Dassault Aviation. The Neuron is designed as a technology demonstrator for stealth UAVs. First flown in 2012. It serves as a platform for testing advanced technologies related to unmanned combat systems. The Neuron's development reflects the increasing interest in stealth capabilities and cooperative engagement between manned and unmanned systems, paralleling the objectives seen with China's GJ-11, which also emphasizes stealth and multi-role functionality in aerial combat. Future outlook for China's GJ-11 Sharp Sword UCAV. The GJ-11 Sharp Sword Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle UCAV represents a significant advancement in China's military capabilities, particularly in the realm of stealth technology and unmanned warfare. Developed by Hongdu Aviation Industry Group, the GJ-11 is designed for precision strikes and reconnaissance, featuring a tailless flying wing design that enhances its stealth profile. As we project into the future, the GJ-11 is poised to play a critical role in shaping aerial combat dynamics, especially as it integrates with crewed platforms like the J-20 fighter jet. 1. Enhanced integration with manned aircraft. One of the most significant predictions regarding the GJ-11's future involves its operational role as a loyal wingman to fighter jets. As military analysts have noted, the integration of the GJ-11 with the J-20 and potentially other aircraft will enable a synergistic approach to aerial combat. The GJ-11 can undertake high-risk missions, allowing manned aircraft to focus on strategic objectives while maintaining a tactical advantage. This integration could involve advanced communication systems and AI-driven control mechanisms, enabling real-time data sharing and collaborative engagement with enemy targets. 2. Expansion of operational capabilities. The GJ-11's design allows for a variety of mission profiles, including precision strikes and electronic warfare. As testing progresses, it is likely that the GJ-11 will evolve to carry out more complex operations, such as swarming tactics, where multiple drones coordinate to overwhelm enemy defenses. This evolution will not only enhance the PLA's combat capabilities but also serve as a deterrent against adversarial forces in the Indo-Pacific region. 3. Development of shipborne operations. As China continues to expand its naval power, the GJ-11 is expected to play a crucial role in future maritime operations. With the potential to operate from amphibious assault ships and aircraft carriers, the GJ-11 could significantly extend the reach of the PLA's naval air capabilities. This will create new paradigms for naval warfare, allowing for rapid response capabilities to emerging threats in contested waters. 4. Technological innovations and autonomy. The future development of the GJ-11 will likely focus on increasing its autonomy and improving its combat systems. Innovations in artificial intelligence and machine learning will allow the GJ-11 to make real-time decisions during missions, enhancing its operational effectiveness. Furthermore, advancements in stealth technology may lead to improved designs that reduce its radar cross-section, making it even harder to detect and intercept. 5. Strategic implications for global military dynamics. As the GJ-11 becomes operationally deployed, it will have far-reaching implications for global military dynamics. The increasing capabilities of China's UCAVs could compel other nations, especially the United States, to reconsider their aerial combat strategies. The absence of similar stealth UCAV development in the U.S. raises concerns about a potential technological gap that could affect future air superiority. 6. Regional and global military balance. The proliferation of advanced UCAVs like the GJ-11 will likely alter the military balance in the Indo-Pacific region. Countries such as India, Japan, and Australia may accelerate their own unmanned systems development in response to China's advancements. This arms race in unmanned technology could lead to heightened tensions and a re-evaluation of defense postures among regional powers. Conclusion. In summary, the future of the GJ-11 Sharp Sword UCAV is filled with potential as it transforms from a testing prototype into a pivotal element of China's military strategy. Its integration with manned aircraft, expansion of operational capabilities, advancements in technology, and implications for global military dynamics position the GJ-11 as a game-changer in modern warfare. As China continues to invest in and refine its unmanned systems, the GJ-11 will not only enhance the PLA's air combat capabilities but may also redefine the nature of aerial engagements for years to come.